Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm EMTB Ryan. Thank you again for joining me. So today we have an unboxing, a bit of a special one to me. We're going to see exactly what this is in a moment. But first of all, if you are new here and you haven't already subscribed, there's a little button somewhere on the screen. And if you hit the little bell icon next to it, it'll update you every time I upload something. And of course, the faithful ones, the ones that I've kept returning for every video, I want to say a massive thank you. Hugely appreciated. So please keep it up. Massively appreciated. Love you guys. Thank you very much. So on with the video. Yes, so as I mentioned, I have a new thing to unbox. What could it be? I mean, you've already seen the title, so you know exactly what it is. Boom! Right, so first things first, just need to get into it really elegantly. That is nice. That's what I love about Apple. Apple do an amazing job with the packaging. But I think when you get this baby open, so this is the Apple Watch Series 6 44mm in blue with the aluminium case. Lush. Let's get it open. So the first thing I'd like to point out is that Apple's packaging is beautiful. Feels like great quality, and the cellophane is very satisfying to peel off. You turn the box over and you pull on the two tabs at the back. This releases the lock on the box, so this opens it. And then when you open the two sides, you are met with a very beautiful design of packaging on the inside. Really aesthetically pleasing. I think it's a very nice touch. They've used blue on the watch face as well. So as you can see, if you get rid of the packaging, there's two boxes in there. Now I think it's done really nicely. One is the watch strap, and the other is the watch face. I think that's great. So on the back of the watch strap, you've got another nice, easy peel away bit of plastic that now opens that. Right, so I absolutely love this packaging. So you open the strap box, you're met with a few diagrams and some text just to tell you, basically help you assemble your watch. Now you've got two types of straps. You've got the small medium and the medium large strap. Obviously with me having bigger wrists, I do need the medium large strap, so we'll just pop that out there. Right, now time for the watch face. Now the first thing I noticed on this packaging is it has a slightly raised image of the watch face, and it's blue as well, so it's lovely. So you're met there with the inside of the packaging. Again, a lovely bit of packaging, really nicely done. So the watch face itself comes with its own blue colour coded pouch, which I think is a nice little touch. It also says 44mm on it, just to remind you. One thing I would say is that pouch is quite snug. Now this is just general instructions, then you get the magnetic charger. Right, so that is the magnetic charger there. It just literally connects to the watch through a magnet. One thing I would say is it is a Type A USB, not Type C, which I think is quite strange. Also, there is no plug, so you've got to source your own plug as well. So I'm just popping the watch straps into the face now. I find this a little bit fiddly. I don't know whether it's just because it's brand new or I'm new with this. Either or, it did take me a couple of seconds to work out exactly how it goes. Once it was in though, really nice fit, and amazingly the Apple Watch turns straight on as soon as you put them in. I think that's quite cool. I am over the moon with the way that looks. I think it looks beautiful. I think the blue is fantastic. So I think it's time to get set up really. Setup is dead simple. It's literally just pop your watch close to your phone. Select which one are you doing. Are you setting up for you, or are you setting up for a friend or family? So what you can do is you can put your phone over your watch. It's meant to connect. Mine didn't, so I had to do mine manually. Just have to type the code in, no biggie. I think that's a cool image. I think it's a very nice design. It looks awesome. So now it's just selecting which wrist I have my watch on. I'll keep mine on my left. T's and C's, yeah, I haven't got time for these. Right, so track and workout, so you enable all the route tracking, all that kind of thing. Now we're just going along and doing standard setup. What I find amazing is when you select the text size though, it'll actually update real time on the watch so you can see exactly what it looks like. I think that's pretty cool. Right, so you've got to set a quick passcode, dead easy, just I think it's a 4-digit code. I'm obviously not going to show you mine. Right, so you just set up your activity, your goals, all that kind of thing. Yeah, just fly straight through that, that's no bother. Add cards, all that kind of thing, do as you go. So I also connect mine to EE because mine is connected to the 4G network, so I can actually use it independently to the phone as well. The independent usage from the phone, so I can use the watch on its own with the 4G network, is the main reason I bought it. So you don't need to take your expensive phone out on a ride. So that is now the Apple Watch all connected and happy days, ready to go. Cool. Right guys, that is the Apple Watch now all set up. So I've got to say it is a great bit of kit. I absolutely love it. I can't complain yet. But I will be doing a review video in a few weeks where I'll be explaining, is it good for mountain biking? Have I enjoyed it? Have I found it easier to use? Because it's brand new to me as well. So I've never had an Apple Watch before, so it's all new. Also, if you are new, to me, for example, let me know by hitting the subscribe button. If you hit the subscribe button, you then get to see more of me. It also shows that you're doing a great bit of support for the channel. I absolutely love it. Also, if you hit the little bell icon next to it, you get notified whenever I do another upload. So it'll keep you in the loop and you don't have to keep looking around for me. I'll be on your homepage. Before I go today, I want to say the reason I got the Apple Watch was a couple of reasons. One is the 4G connectivity. I do not need to have my phone with me, so I don't need to ride with the phone anymore. So I can keep my watch on, I can answer calls, and it also has fall detection. So if I come off, hit a tree, knock myself out, this will pick up a fall. It will alert an emergency contact and it will also dial the emergency services. That to me is genius. That'll probably save a lot of people. I think it's a fantastic feature. Yeah, I think it's brilliant. Also there's a fitness element to it as well, because I do need to shift a bit of weight because I've got a couple of grams of fat I need to get rid of. Yes, so before I go today, I just want to say one final thing, other than thank you again, I suppose. But stay safe. I'll see you on the trail. Don't forget to turn on and ride. I'll see you in the next one.